Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you a very important 5-minute protocol that you need to follow if you want to stay healthy physically and mentally. If you know 80% of your immune system lies in the gut area, and to take care of your gut is the most important thing. Are you suffering from any digestive issues? Do you have fatigue after your workout, or do you feel a sense of loss of energy when you wake up? How do you feel throughout the day? Are you suffering from thyroid issues? Most of the diseases that are there in the current world can be cured by simply taking care of your gut. Sadly, medical science today is always pursuing, trying to go for solving the symptoms and not the cause of diseases. That's why they give you pills that either reduce your thyroid levels or increase them, or give you antibiotics to suppress whatever is happening. I'm going to teach you something that's going to transform you physically and mentally with just these 5 simple steps. Before you have your meal, follow these 3 simple steps. Number 1, 2 minutes do Bhastrika Pranayam or Kapalbhati. Very simple. You're going to contract and expand and contract your stomach rapidly. Now you can do this either by sitting in a Vajrasana position or cross-legged, or you can even sit on a chair and do this if you're at work or at some public place. 2 minutes. So let's start it right now. Okay. First is just hands on your thighs, look straight, spine straight, and focus on exhalation. You can also add hand movements to it. If you are in a public place or at your office, you may not be able to do this. So simply you can just sit on a chair and just do rapid breaths where you're contracting your stomach rapidly. Lovely. Now once you have done this, the second thing is now we are going to do Agnisar Pranayam. Now the importance of Agnisar is as important as you do your warm-up before your exercises. Like for example, you do your warm-ups before your run or your bike ride or any physical activity, you do a warm-up. Before you have your meal, you need to warm up your stomach. What's the importance of doing Agnisar Pranayam? It improves the blood flow around your gut area, which is the most important thing, because now you're focusing on having food. Your stomach needs blood circulation to happen, and that's where doing Agnisar Pranayam really helps. The second reason, which is very important, is it helps improve the secretion of juices that help in digestion. Now that's why it is called Agnisar. The word Agni means digestive juices. So it helps in the secretion of digestive juices. So all the important organs, your pancreas, your intestines, your bile juice that is there, they get activated and they get secreted when you do this Agnisar Pranayam. So I'll have to remove my shirt to show you exactly how to do this. So first important thing is you inhale, hold, you exhale. And once you exhale, you don't inhale again, and then you do contract. Then you contract your gut. The objective is to contract it where you're able to touch your spine. So it has to be a very deep contraction, and that's why I have to show you without my shirt, so you can actually see how it's to be done. So just follow the step. Inhale, exhale, now hold, don't inhale again. Now do forceful contraction of your gut, very slow but very deep. After 10 contractions, you can inhale again, hold for a couple of seconds, exhale, you can do 10 reps, 8 to 10 reps of this. Once you are done, the third step is to massage your ears. Now, why massaging your ears is important? Your ears have a lot of nerve touch points areas that help in reducing your cravings and help you or prevent you from overeating. So this is very important. So just massaging your ears, very simple step of massaging your ears. Just doing this will make sure that you eat as per your body's requirement. Now, the fourth one is whenever you eat, make sure you're mindful. You're not either looking into a mobile device or watching TV or doing anything. Focus on the food you eat. Chew your food properly, slowly, so that it gets digested nearly 80% in your mouth itself before it goes into your stomach. Chewing slowly and properly is the fourth most important aspect. Now, the fifth important point is after you have your meal. Now, 2 minutes post your meal, a very simple step is to just massage the left side of your rib cage. Just massage the left side of your rib cage 2 minutes post your meal, and that will help in improving your digestion. Remember, the more your body absorbs the nutrients, the healthier you will be. No matter what type of food you eat, if it's not absorbed by your body, it's not going to help you. This is one short way to lead a healthy life. No medicines. You don't need a doctor. You don't need any pills. You need to first understand how your body functions, listen to your body, and do the right thing. Stay healthy, stay fit, and be always on 24/7. Have a great day, guys.